Did you know that walnuts are one of the only tree nuts to provide a significant amount of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids? In fact, just a handful of walnuts can deliver more omega-3s than any other nut, making them a powerhouse for heart and brain health. But the story of walnuts goes far beyond their impressive nutritional profile. For thousands of years, walnuts have been cherished as a vital food source, with ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans referring to them as the nut of the gods. Their rich history, combined with modern science, makes a strong case for walnuts as the ultimate snack. Today, snacking is more popular than ever. Whether we're at work, at school, or simply on the go, snacks have become an integral part of our daily routines. Yet, despite their popularity, many of the snacks we reach for are far from ideal. Chips, candy bars, and sugary granola bars often take center stage, offering quick satisfaction but little in the way of true nutrition. These snacks tend to be packed with empty calories, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, leaving us feeling sluggish and unsatisfied in the long run. It's clear that our snacking habits could use a serious upgrade. That's where walnuts come in. Unlike many processed snacks, walnuts are a whole food, minimally processed, and naturally nutrient-dense. Just a small serving, about a quarter cup, packs a powerful punch of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Walnuts are especially rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, the plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that is essential for overall health. This makes them an excellent choice, not just for vegetarians and vegans, but for anyone looking to improve their diet. But the benefits of walnuts extend far beyond their omega-3 content. They're also an excellent source of antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. The vitamin E, polyphenols, and melatonin found in walnuts all contribute to their protective effects, supporting your immune system and even potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that including walnuts in your diet can support heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol, reducing blood pressure, and improving blood vessel function. What's more, walnuts are incredibly versatile. Their rich, earthy flavor and satisfying crunch make them the perfect addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or yogurt for a hearty breakfast, toss them into salads for extra texture, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Walnuts can even be used to make delicious homemade nut butter, or as a base for plant-based burger patties and energy bars. The possibilities are nearly endless. Walnuts also fit seamlessly into a variety of dietary patterns. Whether you're following a Mediterranean diet, a plant-based lifestyle, or simply trying to cut back on processed foods, walnuts can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. They're naturally gluten-free, contain no added sugars, and are suitable for people with a wide range of dietary needs. Plus, their portable, no-prep nature makes them an ideal snack to take on the go. No refrigeration or special packaging required. But how do walnuts really stack up against other common snacks? Let's look at the numbers. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, people who regularly snack on walnuts not only consume more essential nutrients, but also tend to have a lower risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome compared to those who snack on chips, cookies, or candy. Another compelling statistic: just 1 ounce of walnuts, about 14 halves, provides 4 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and more than 2.5 grams of omega-3s, all for around 185 calories. Compare that to a typical bag of potato chips, which may contain twice the calories and a fraction of the nutritional value. And the choice becomes clear. It's not just about nutrition either. Walnuts are truly satisfying. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber helps keep hunger at bay, providing sustained energy and reducing the temptation to reach for less healthy options later in the day. That means you're more likely to feel full and energized, rather than experiencing the sugar crashes and cravings that can follow a less balanced snack. Let's recap why walnuts deserve the title of the best snack ever. First, they're packed with essential nutrients, including those hard-to-find omega-3s that support heart, brain, and overall health. Second, they're versatile and delicious, fitting seamlessly into countless recipes, AEs, and dietary preferences. Third, they outperform many common snacks in terms of both nutrition and satisfaction, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to eat better without sacrificing taste or convenience. And finally, their long history as a cherished food underscores just how special they really are. So the next time you're looking for a snack, skip the chips and candy. Grab a handful of walnuts instead. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about smart snacking, nutrition tips, and delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your journey to healthier, tastier snacking starts right here